Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you on beginner guide on how to play the Clash of Clans. Just tap on OK. As you are playing for the first time, you will have the tutorial for how you can play this game. Here you can see you will be welcoming for the first time in here. You just need to tap and it will skip to the another part. These are just the beginning. Now here you need to go to the icon where the arrows shows. Tap over there. And this is a marketplace where you will buy the materials or things for building an empire. You placed it by tapping on the tick mark. Tap and finish now. Now here the goblins has attack on the town. Now you need to defend yourself. You have just constructed a cannon as a defense system. Now as the goblins get inside the area of cannon, the cannon will automatically shoot at the goblins and kill them. With this you will defend your town and secure it. Now we will be attacking on another town to retrieve the gold and elixir and to destroy the town. You have to deploy these soldiers by tapping multiple times on the ground. They will attack on the defense system and the town hall. With this, we will win the battle against the another town. Tap on return home. Now tap on shop as the arrow shows. Then build a hut. Tap on tick mark. For that, go to shop. Elixir collection. Tap on tick mark. Now another we're gonna build elixir storage. Tap on tick mark. Now we need swift place to storage the gold, so tap on shop, tap on gold storage, then tap on tick mark. Now here the goblins gonna attack soon, so you need to make your defense system strong. For that you need to go to shop and make your defense system strong by buying the barrack for training the shoulder, and then you need to train the shoulders over there and you keep tapping on and the shoulders will be added for the training session. Now we are going to attack. For that, tap on attack here. Again attack. This way we will attack on the another village by deploying the troops on them and destroying their defense system and town hall. And we will also loot their coins and elixirs from there. Tap on return home. Here you provide your name for the town hall. You just type in a name that you want for your town hall to be known as. You need to upgrade the town hall. For that, tap on town hall and upgrade it. You need coins to upgrade the town or any other. Now you just need to keep moving by building barracks, upgrading your gold coins, your elixir, collecting them. You need to make your defense strong, so you need the cannons and the archer tower as well. You need to construct them. You can go to the shop and buy all the resources that is needed for you to upgrade your town hall. Now you just need to go through everything at once and you will be able to play the game very well once you know the basic of how the game works. Here you just need to keep your defense strong. You need to upgrade each and everything as the game moves forward. You need to collect coins and elixir to buy the resources from the shop. And you need to make your soldier training going on to attack on another town and make a loot. With this you will collect coin. Hope this video was useful to you on the beginner guide of how you can play the Clash of Clans on your Android device. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.